What is it that brought us here? To this extraordinary destination? It was not just one thing. It was a multitude of things. Look beyond the parting handshake and you will recognize the unmistakable signs of genuine consideration, of constant commitment to perfection. This is the journey we have made over and over again. Each time we have witnessed the extraordinary birth of an extraordinary craft. Our unmistakable mark of perfection reveals itself in the form of technical expertise unlike any other, and as craftsmanship of the highest order. Piece by piece, each perfectly honed detail has its place in this exquisite symphony. Every delicate grain of wood, flawlessly aligned. Every moving part, expertly assembled by hand. Every surface, lovingly and immaculately finished. And even though we've employed some of the most sophisticated technology, we still measure our accomplishment by the human skill and craftsmanship no machine could ever replace. Our passion, our determination, our ingenuity, our sense of precision knows no bounds. Even the smallest tasks are performed with absolute care, just so that the perfect form of the perfect yacht perfectly matches some of the best engineering in the industry and some of the most refined luxury befitting of our discerning customers. And at the furthest point from our fully finished masterpiece, let us not forget the master designer, who first conceived the idea that began with a single, simple line: to consider even the smallest details, to be fueled by a passion for perfection, beauty and performance, to never give in to compromise. This is what has led us here, and will bravely take us into the future. Fairline Yachts. Every perfect detail.